Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I have a really fun unboxing video for you guys. I got my fall FabFitFun box. If you haven't heard of the subscription box before, you can get it. It comes seasonally about 4 times a year. You can get an annual membership or you can pay for it per season, just depending on what you would like to do. I'll leave more information for this box down below for you guys interested. I've been sharing with you guys what I've been getting in these boxes for a little over a year now. This is completely unsponsored. I do pay for the annual subscription for this, and now they have it so that you can customize and choose what products that you have. I think there's like different variations of like levels of how much you can customize, but a lot of these products I do believe I did pick them out. Comes with a magazine in each one, but I am so excited that this box is here, so let's get into it. So inside, super pretty with all of the leaves and everything like that. I love these boxes. I really like saving them. So if you like have a casserole or if you have food you're bringing to like a family friend member, we just kind of like to store it and put it in this. So that is always a good thing to have. We have like a stockpile of these, and they're heavy duty, pretty thick boxes. So I really like this box that it comes in. They also have where there are sales and like, what do they call it? Edit sales, where you can add on items to your box. I typically have done a couple of those in the past. This one I did not do, and I didn't do any of their extra sales or anything like that. So everything you see in this video is stuff you could have gotten in the fall box. So it comes with the magazine that you see here, and we'll talk a little bit more of the products in your box, as well as it looks like it has some recipes maybe. So we will see about that. And then there is $15 off your first FabFitFun. I will put it in here. It's F5E2RN0. So if you are the first one to enter that code, you will get $15 off of your first box. A couple more kind of coupons they always do is a Bright Sellers. They have a $60 credit. And then this looks like it's from Nourish by Nature Made, 50% off your first month with the code FabFall. And they give you HelloFresh as well. So HelloFresh, you can get 14 free meals. I'll put the code here, B74287738 for that offer. I have tried in the past. I'm not a big fan of it. My family is rather picky, so subscription boxes like that haven't really worked out for us in the past. The first thing here is from Purelease. This is the Pumpkin and Ginger Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. And it says it's a 10-minute facial treatment infused with pumpkin and ginger to instantly brighten, soothe, and improve skin texture while providing a gentle exfoliation. And I remember using, I feel like it was a pumpkin scrub here on my channel. If I can find that video, I'll link it up above. And I really enjoyed using it. So I feel like this would be a really cool product to try out, especially in the fall time. And this is what that looks like. And I love masks, especially if it has pumpkin in it. It says to use 2 to 3 times a week. Apply a thin layer on the face, neck, and chest. Let set and dry for 10 to 15 minutes. So it has pumpkin, that is a powerful antioxidant, loaded with vitamin C to protect your skin from signs of aging. Ginger helps reduce inflammation and even skin tone, and white clay lightens skin and purifies pores. So I will definitely be trying this out, and I will keep you guys updated on that. And it says it's for oily combination or normal, even sensitive skin. So we will try this out. Very excited for that. Then here I got a Coach necklace and a pair of earrings set. So it comes with the little dust bag. You have the earrings and necklace. So these are super pretty. It looks like really small little flowers, and then there's like a diamond necklace. So this is a Coach Open Circle necklace and T-Rose stud set. It is rose gold. Really pretty. Originally $125. And I love these. I love the color, especially for fall time. This kind of like rose goldness or amber kind of metal color is really pretty for any skin type during this season. And then it also comes with its own little Coach book, which is super cute. How to care for your jewelry. So super cute. Probably will just discard that, but I thought that was really cute. And its own little this bag. How adorable is that? The next thing they threw in here was from Dove. This is the Advanced Care Moisturizer Dry Spray. This is an antiperspirant deodorant. So a little spray-on deodorant guy, and this is definitely a trial size of that. They did the, what is this called? This is like their 3-tier tray. I did not pick this. I actually don't see the hat in here that I did pick, which is kind of disappointing, but this is a little tray set that you can just put your jewelry or anything in here. I might actually put it in my baby girl's nursery, but definitely not something I personally picked out for me. I just don't use things like this, don't really have a need for it, so kind of disappointed in that. And the next thing here is something a couple of y'all may have seen from other videos. It's from Golden Rabbit. It's the Dutch oven, and our kitchen right now is navy and white, so when I saw this, I thought this would be super cute to have out. And I've been wanting a Dutch oven, but they definitely are super expensive. And Dutch ovens, you can use it stovetop or you can use it in your actual stove. So this is what it looks like. Definitely not super big, but for my size family right now, this works perfect, or any kind of appetizer, things like that. It says it is durable, lightweight, non-stick. You can broil, bake, cook, cut in it, grill, what have you, but I loved the blue and white design of it. Definitely something I wanted to play around with, and it holds 2.5 quarts. Something else they threw in here that I did not pick is the hashtag now you can, and I think they gave me alcohol-free, what is this? Brewed Holland? I have no idea. Beer, alcohol-free beer from Heineke. Very disappointed in that. I'm pregnant, but so it is alcohol free, but I don't drink beer in general, so interesting about that. They got a Algenist. This is the Complete Eye Renewal Balm, and I am always on the hunt for a good eye cream, so I did pick this out of that one. I feel like this one didn't have a lot of good customization options for me. So that is what that looks like. And then the last thing is the Benefit the Porefessional. This is a pore primer, and I'm not a big fan of Benefit. They're not cruelty free or anything like that. I've tried this, liked it, must not have liked a lot of their other options, so this was kind of the best one. So honestly, for this fall box, I'm pretty disappointed in it overall. There are a couple options and things that I thought were really neat, like the Coach jewelry set and the Dutch oven to try out. I'm kind of disappointed I didn't get that buffalo cap hat. I really did want that hat. And just like the other surprises, the beer, like alcohol-free beer and the dry spray-on deodorant just seemed like really cheapies to throw in the box. So I'm pretty not happy with this subscription box. Let me know if you received the FabFitFun box for fall this year, what you got, what you didn't get. I'd be interested in the little add-ons they threw on for you, where was it these cheapy kind of things that you could get from like a Target subscription box back in the day? I don't know, it just seems not like FabFitFun. I remember last fall was like so exciting and good, but kind of disappointed on this one. So let me know your comments down below, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.
It's 1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you. Got like a million ideas what we could do, 'cause I'm not gonna let